Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $6 of Algorand completely free, which is about 28 coins, and who knows what that's going to be in the future. Plus you're also going to want to stick around because I'm going to be showing you how you can make an extra $171 in free crypto simply by using your Coinbase account. Hey, my name's Chris Wyatt and I'm the CMO at Yanda.io. Now I want to ask you a quick question before we get started. Do you like to trade crypto? Well, if the answer is yes, then I want you to head over to Yanda.io and create an account over there, because what we do is we help crypto traders just like you trade their cryptocurrencies automatically 24/7 to better their profits. Now, with that said, let's get into the question and answer. What is Algorand and how can you start earning it for free? So what is Algorand? It is a scalable, secure, decentralized cryptocurrency and smart contract platform. They have developed their own consensus that is a verified proof of stake called pure proof of stake. The main benefit of Algorand is that the technology finalizes blocks in seconds and immediately finalizes the transactions. The company is based in Boston, USA, and was founded by Silvio Micheli, who is an award-winning MIT professor. Silvio also assembled a pretty strong team made up of other MITs. So I'm guessing they're a pretty smart bunch of guys, and they also managed to raise over 120 million USD with some big backers. So I'm guessing they're going to be putting that money where their mouth is. So what are they actually solving? Well, it's solving the blockchain trilemma. And what is the blockchain trilemma? Cryptocurrencies on a blockchain are meant to be three things: scalable, secure, and decentralized. But the blockchain trilemma suggests that you can't have all three features at the same time. Basically, having one of these will mean one of the others will be weaker. For example, you can have secure transactions, but because security takes so long to verify, you can't do as many transactions at once. Or you can have fast transactions and more of them, but they won't be as secure. Or you can have fast, secure transactions, but only if the network is controlled by a small number of participants. Algorand is trying to solve this blockchain trilemma by being scalable, secure, and decentralized. Will they do it? Only time will tell, but this is definitely a coin that I'm going to be holding on to. So now that we know what Algorand is, let's see how we can earn some of it for free using our Coinbase account. Ready? Let's dive in. Okay, first thing first, if you haven't already got yourself a Coinbase account, I'm going to leave a link in the bottom where you can just click that and it will take you straight to the Coinbase website, and you can set up an account there and get verified. It can take a couple of hours or maybe a day or two depending on where you're from and if you give them the correct documents at the time. Now you can see my portfolio here. At the moment we're on a month view, so you can see that it's been steadily climbing this month. Now what I want to show you is where you can find your rewards. Now it's up here on the left, you've got earn rewards and it says get $177 plus in crypto. So, well, it doesn't say that, but it's $107 plus. Now we're going to go earn rewards. So we're going to click on there and you can see here that I can get Algorand $6 and I can claim that. You can also claim some other little bits where you can do compound $59, and they've also got Orchard, which is a new one. And down here I've already collected these, but we've got EOS, which you can see in another video how I did that one. We got Stellar, which is earned $50 of that. And there was also Maker, which I claimed, and Cello, which I've already claimed. Now let's go back up here, and today we're gonna do Algorand. So it's earned $6 of Algo. Watch this video. Now all you need to do is watch the video and you earn $2, which is here, right? So we're going to click on it. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole videos because you should really learn what this crypto is all about for yourself. So I'm not going to ruin that for you, but I'm going to show you basically just what you got to do. Okay, so let's turn that up.
Award-winning cryptographer who helped invent one of the most important concepts in cryptography, the zero-knowledge proof. Silvio saw the tremendous potential of blockchains and cryptography to provide fast, irreversible transaction.
All right, so you can see the video there. You just got to listen to that. It's 2 minutes and 21 seconds long, and there's going to be 3 of these. So I don't know how long the other ones are, but all you got to do is listen to that, and then you have a question. What is Algorand? Now, I have already explained this at the beginning of the video, so you should already know what it is. But watch this video because it's an extra little recap, and they probably explain it a hell of a lot better than I did. So Algorand is a blockchain platform that aims to solve the blockchain trilemma by being scalable, secure, decentralized at the time. Okay, so the question is, how does Algorand solve the blockchain trilemma? It's already said at the top, said it in the video, and I said it at the beginning. So we're going to go for B, being scalable, secure, and decentralized. Now, if I'm right, which I am, it says here, you earned $2 of ALGO. Nice work. You're well on your way to understanding Algorand. Then I'm just going to hit next and go on to the next video lesson. Now I'm just going to fast forward through here and I'll catch up with you once I've earned my next $4. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page and you'll be able to see that you've done the beginning lessons on what is Algorand, what is pure proof of stake, and the future Algorand. And you can see that I earn $2 for each video. Now, if you want more information, you can go there and view and see all the charts. And then you've got here more assets that you can earn, so you could just go to each one of those. I've already earned Maker and Salo. Compound, I could earn another 40. EOS, I can earn another 40. Stellar, I could also earn another 40. I just got to recommend people to come in and do that one. So that's where you get the big bucks on that one. But who doesn't like free crypto anyway? So watching a few videos for a couple of minutes to earn some free stuff, I think it's worth doing. So let's just go over to portfolio, and you can see here that I've received Algorand today on the 2nd of November. So 3 lots of 8, 8, and 8. And if I scroll down, you can see here I've got Algorand here. I already actually had some of these, so I purchased some of these on the 30th of October, which was 2 days ago or 3 days ago. So it was the day before Halloween, and that was 500 of them. And I've also received these here. So now the total is 114 euros. So I hope you found this video interesting, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down at the bottom, because I'll be popping back in whenever there is a new reward to be claimed on Coinbase, or if I find one elsewhere. Remember, if you like to trade crypto, then head over to yanda.io and create an account so as you can easily create trading bots within seconds. Yanda also has a 97% trading success rate over its users over the last 2 years. So be sure to go ahead and watch the next video that's going to pop on the end screen here, where you'll see me show you how to create an automated trading strategy, and I'll also show you the profits that it made within less than 24 hours. So until the next video, may the profits be with you.